Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CRF250L Dual Sport. Only 2,300 miles on this beautiful condition 250. A service handguards FMF pipe. It's got a knobby rear tire. Price to sell for just $41.99. Come on by, check it out. Make your fuel-injected dual sport 250 dreams come true for just $41.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.